Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Exam Study. Today I will present class 9 science examination question paper. And time allotted 3 hours, maximum marks is equal 80. And first question is, name an organelle other than nucleus which contain DNA and are able to synthesize their own protein. Answer is nucleus, mitochondria. And second question is, the protein and lipids essential for building the cell membrane manufactured in A. Endoplasmic reticulum, B. Mitochondria, C. Plasma membrane, D. Golgi bodies. True answer is plasma membrane. And all question is very important. Solon fluid ankle can be naturally cured by the dipping in salty water. The mechanism and involved in this treatment is A. Diffusion and B. Osmosis, C. Plasmosis and D. Dysplasmosis. True answer is plasmosis. And question number 3 is, if the displacement time graph for an object is parallel to time axis, what will be the velocity of the object? Answer is the velocity will be O, because parallel to the axis in displacement time graph means distance remains same and the times is increasing, and this could only be to possible the body's velocity is 0. And then our all question is, from the given VT graph it can be interpreted that the object is, choose the option. See the graph and choose the option. Option A is in uniform motion, B is rest, C is in non-uniform motion, and D is moving with uniform acceleration. And true answer is in uniform motion. And fourth question is, distinguish between speed and velocity. The speed is of the body is the distance traveled by it per unit time, and velocity of a body is the distance traveled by in per unit time in a given direction. And speed, it is a scalar quantity, and velocity, it is a vector quantity. And it can be 0, it can be not 0. And this is the difference between speed and velocity. And fifth question, write the name of the elements present in quicklime. So quicklime or baking powder. So quicklime is oxygen and baking powder is sodium. And sixth question is, what are polyatomic ions? Give one example. The group of atoms which carry a fixed charge, either positive or negative, on them and behave as ions are called polyatomic ions. Example, carbonate ion, ammonium ion, and sulfate ion and phosphate ion. This is the answer of sixth question. And our seventh question is, which of the postulate Dalton atometry is the result of law of conservation of mass? Then it's answered the law of conservation linear momentum, general law of physics, according to which the quantity called momentum. This is the answer of our seventh question. And eighth question is, name the tissue responsible for, answer is flexibility of plants. And ninth question is, in the given diagram, which of the following parts termist impludes away from the cell? See the diagram and given the answer. So true objection is A. And our 10th question, which tissue is responsible for storage of fats in the body? Adipose tissue. And what is the effect of morning walk and regular exercise on the stored fat of the body? Help us weight loss of our body. Spread and solution. Given the option, and true option is the true solution. This is the true solution. And our 18th second question, which type of mixture can be spread by the filtration? True answer is suspension. And our 18th third question, which statement is incorrect about triangle effect? True answer is, if particles are very tiny, then there is no triangle effect. Then our 18th question, fourth question is true answer is true colloid suspension. And our all question is match the following. and its true is colloid, milk, suspension. Our 19th question is the tendency of undistributed object to stay at the rest or keep moving continuously. E motion, B velocity, C force, D inertia. True answer is inertia. And 19th question is the mass of two objects A 2 kg and B 20 kg with greater in inertia. So 20 kg is greater than inertia. And 19th question, when the resultant of the forces acting on a body in zero, the forces are called unbalanced force. This is true answer. Then our 20 question is, give two reasons to support your answer that water compound not a mixture. This is the answer is very small, and but this answer is very important. All compounds are molecules, but not all molecules are compound. So, the water is that compound, not a mixture. Then our 21 question in formula wise question is use the unit mass of MgC12, atomic mass of MgC12 24, Ci 35.5. Then calculate. And B question is calculate the number of particles, 0.1 mole of atoms, 6.023 multiplied by 1022. So answer is coming. Then our 22 question is X2 contains 10 electrons and neutrons. Find out its mass, number of units, name them and elements. So give the question in X2 10 electrons and 8 neurons. Use the formula and answer is coming. Then our 23 question is forms of line of mouth and stratified squamous epithelium. Then we connect muscle to bone, fibrous connective tissue. Then form lining of the kidney tubule. Then simple cuboidal epithelia, and which is present in brain, nervous tissue. And 24th question, acute disease is different from chronic. Explain your answer to explain a motorcycle drives to A to B with uniform speed of 30 km per hour and return back to speed of 20 km. Find the average speed. This is the formula of speed is equal distance upon time, then find the average. Okay, then our all question is the velocity time graph, so the motion of cyclist find. But this is not important. Our 26th question is important. And our 26th question, what happens to force between objective? To answer the mass of an object in double. Level 27 question, distinguish between two solution, colloid and suspension on the basis of the following points. True answer is particle size. And our 28th question, a solution of 50 common salt in 30 water. Calculator use the formula and answer is coming. Then we can plus 50 grams and 350 grams and use the formula. Then our second question is, what is saturated solution? Saturated solution question is very important because this question is coming my half yearly exam. Then it is coming in annual examination finally. Then our 29. Then its answer is solution in which maximum amount of solvent has been dissolved. Then our 29 question is, how to bacterial cell is different from an animal cell? Difference between 3 points. And our animal cell was absent and generally irregular in shape, then smaller in size than animal cells. And our bacterial cell was present outside the plasma membrane, generally regular in shape, larger in size than animal cells. This is the 3 points of difference between bacterial cells and animal cells. Then our 30 question, how to 6 are different from symptoms of disease. Explain this question. Not important, so we can come our big question. Becoming spread of the infected with an microbe does not necessarily mean to developing disease. Explain. This question is not important, so we come our C question. Define immunization. This question is important. A process of by which person becomes protected against a disease through vaccination. This is called immunization. And our 31st question is the barks applied to a car produce acceleration of 6 meter. Second is car in the opposite direction to the motion. If car takes 2 stops after the application bar, calculate the distance traveled during the time. Use formula speed distance upon time. Then our 32nd question is explain law of conservation momentum with the help of activities. So collision of two balls, total momentum of the two balls remains unchanged. Conservation to the external acts a ball. Ball of law of conservation linear momentum, general law of physics according to the quantity called of the ball. The answer of this question. And 33 question is what is free fall? The downward movement under the force gravity only. This is called free fall and mentioned between G and G. And C is on the quantity, the value of Z does not depend. The true answer is mentioned this relation between G and G. And our 34 question is identify the figure and name the experiment. This question is not important, but our question is important. So we will come in our odd question. Number of electrons are given, protons are given, and neutrons are given. Species X, Y, and Z given below. This is the table, and we can find the questions in answer. Now answer the following question. What is the mass number of X and Y? At the protons or neutrons, number of both X and Y. Then what is the atomic number of Y is 39. The atomic number of Y is 39. Which two chemical spices represent a pair of isotopes and Y? The baking powder and sublime. Then what is the valency of element Z2? This question is important for 31st question. Difference between straight, unistraight, and cadric muscle. Our 35th question is difference between straight and straight cadric muscle on basis their location structure in the body. Then it's first our straight muscle. Then the straight muscles, they are connected to bone, skeletal muscle, they are voluntary muscle. Their cells are long, cylindrical with many nucleus and are unbranched. And our unstraight muscle and our cadric muscle, they are found in heart, they are involuntary in action, they are branched and have one nucleus. And our unstraight muscle, they are found in alimentary canal or lungs, they are involuntary muscles. And our B question is what control to the actions of our body, some not to control, comment on statement. And its true option is A. And what happens to the plants if their tips are removed? Apical mesoderm tissues are responsible growth of plants, then to continue to grow after their tips are removed. The true answer is this question. Then what is our mesoderm? One type of tissue is the mesoderm. And see the mesoderm classified. Then 36th question, at the speed of body 1 kg, kinetic energy 1 joule. And define. Thank you friends. This is the question paper of class 9. and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.